Welcome to this fast tutorial that we are starting right away. We'll learn how to start with our Arduino development environment with a specific Leonardo microboard. So we go to the Explorer and search Arduino User IDE download. We look for the Windows download. As you can see, you can donate if you want, but it's totally free. Once it is downloaded, we proceed to install. As soon as the installation ends, we click on the link in the app browser. We'll have to accept all the installation requests presented to us. We will be able to see the progress of all installations. Once the process is done, we will look in our repository for the unlock with password sketch. Copy and paste it into our Arduino. With the check icon, we first try to compile it, and we notice that it's not compiling. Hit project library is missing. So we do another search in our browser looking for it, and we download the latest one. We go to the sketch, include library, and add zip library. We select the download library and try to compile, and upload it again. You will have to plug the board into the USB first. And that is pretty much it. Please visit our video showing how we use this board, or subscribe for upcoming videos and tutorials.